Hey there, my friends. Kirkshan's and Turnipseed here. In today's video, I wanted to answer the question, can you make money online without showing your face? And the short answer to that is absolutely you can with faceless digital marketing. That's something that has come about. It's all the rage online. And I want to go over the three types of faceless digital marketing that you could do to make money online without having to show your face. And then if you stay to the end, I'm going to share with you which one I'm going to be doing for myself. So there are three types of faceless marketing. Okay. The first one is a theme page. That's where you basically just post everything within a category. So you're going to post, maybe you have a page where it's all quotes. You're going to post all quotes. You have business tips, and it's all business tips. It's all manifestation stuff. But you probably saw like some of those law of attraction manifestation stuff, parenthood, funny stuff. Maybe you have a page with all funny stuff. That is a theme page. Okay, so that's a type of faceless account. Okay, so that's type number one. The last two are the more common ones for right now for faceless marketing. So the second one is a what is called a hybrid or semi-faceless account. Okay, so that's where it's gonna be 90% faceless. Almost all of your posts are going to be faceless, meaning that you're posting, maybe you have like a video of somebody doing something, you have text on top of it. That's faceless. Okay, so 90% faceless, and then maybe 10% of your posts are showing your face. So for example, you might have a pin post with a pic of you introducing yourself. You might go live on your account, but the majority of your posts are, all your marketing basically is faceless, but then you might have a couple post or something, or even your live where you might show your face. So that's semi-faceless. Okay, and then there's entirely faceless accounts where, again, like I said, you might post a video of somebody doing something that you can get it from Pixabay or Pexels, and then you put some text on top of it. So on a faceless account, all of your content, your stories, everything, you're anonymous. It allows you privacy. If you don't want to get dressed up to go on camera, if you're private, things like that, you can do a faceless account. So me personally, I have decided to do a faceless account for many reasons. My days are long, and sometimes I don't want to get dialed up anymore to get on video. So for my Instagram, I will be creating a faceless account. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now, where I learned how to do faceless marketing is through a digital marketing course called The Roadmap, and you can learn how to do the same as well. The link is beneath this video. That course is going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, including how to do faceless marketing. So if you want to learn how to do that, also have a faceless guide, which reach out to me if you want to get that as well. But that will walk you through what you need to know to begin doing faceless marketing. It's a great strategy for people like myself who work 12+ hour days, caretaking, doing whatever we have to do, or you're busy, or you want to be private. Whatever your reason is, your rationale, you can still make money online without having to show your face. It's a great time to be online, to not have to show your face and be able to make money. And again, you couldn't do that a few years back. You just could not. People would not buy from people they couldn't see their face. And now people are willing to do that, and it's taken off on Instagram. Faceless marketing is all the rage. So if you want to learn how to do that for yourself, link beneath this video. Smash the subscribe button. Let me know any questions that you have in the comments section about faceless marketing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.